trap sluice is at the end of the dredge here. It has adjustable legs on the rack that I made for it. So it's adjusted to just about the same drop as the sluice on the dredge. So the recovery here is going to be hopefully nothing in the trap. Everything stay in the dredge box. I'm not sure if Sheryal said what we're doing here. We're down about 3.5 feet and it's really hard packed, so we're spraying really hard. So we need more motor RPM, and I'm running wide open on that 6.5 horse Honda. So in order to do that, I flattened off the dredge box and I put the trap on the end here. And that's just to see if we're missing anything. We had one little teeny piece in there last run, so I flattened the boxes both more. And now Sheryl's in the hole and just tearing it up again. Got a little bit of a glare problem on the camera here, so bear with me. But everything seems to be running good. We'll see what happens the next cleanup. The first one is pretty good. Okay, there's the rock we just moved, the one that she's sitting on, and that's what's behind us, so we're hoping there's nuggets in there. Hey guys, here's the results, and it was really good. I'm really happy with this. I mean, you can just see all the gold here. It's just nice pieces. Some pieces are a little bent. Those two that you just saw were just little pickers. As are these, or let's see, I lost them. These right about, I'm too close, that's why I couldn't see them. Those two are pickers. Oh, I'm having trouble there. They're just all really nice. It's really nice going. Good trip. That was a good trip. Okay, had a little time today, so we decided to weigh this out. So here's one of my empty trays. Well, I guess I gotta turn it on, don't I? Okay, there we are. There's one of my empty trays, and you can see the weight of that. Tear it. And here's the tray with the gold in it. Tear it out, there it is. 0.66 grams. Not bad. I'll take that every day of the week. Alright guys, you know the drill. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe, ring the bell for future notifications, give a great comment, and come back soon. Stay safe and stay blessed out there.